It's the 6th day of Vlogmas, there's catching up to do. I'm going to do that with you. Hello, Daisy. Hello. Hello, pretty girl. Hello. Are you snoozy? Are you snoozy? My sister's out in the rain. How pretty are you? Yes, baby, you're so pretty. Yeah. Daisy. Hello. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Quick emergency wash. This is our lunch today. I'm having a cheese and onion pasty. The hubby is having a traditional Cornish pasty. He is having pear. I'm having a little satsuma. And I am going to add some HP sauce to this. Oh, that looks delicious. And some for me. Beautiful. I like a spot of pepper and sea salt on mine as well. Oh, yummy, get in my belly. Perfect lunch for a chilly day to warm us up. Lily's just come in. She is covered in wet, haven't you, baby? Because it's raining outside and you've been outside. Oh, this is what I mean. She came in and she's left muddy little paw prints everywhere. Haven't you? Hello. You're going to see me now. Look at you, soaking wet cat. Oh, hi. I'm in a little break in between my afternoon's training session. I would be lying if I said the weekend hadn't really taken it out of us. That was the most active we've been in 20 months. We haven't left, I cannot tell you just how much we have stayed at home over the last year and a half. It's been, yeah, it was crazy, but it was brilliant fun to see the family, and it's the first time I've seen them since August 2020, and it's been longer for the hubby because he couldn't make it when I saw them in August 2020. So it was fabulous to catch up with all of them. I got a little bit wrapped up in enjoying just being around them so much, so I didn't like stick the camera in their faces so much. I did check with them that they were okay with being put on the interwebs, and they were like, yeah, fine, no problemo. Right, so what I wanted to do while we're actually at the hotel was do a what's in my bag of the day type thing, but it really was kind of the whole time we were doing something. So I'm going to do that now with you. So I took with me my Alexander McQueen calfskin satchel, and the reason I took this bag is because I wanted something a little bit bigger. I was going to be carrying a little bit more than I generally have done over the last year and a half because we were going to be out and about, and I wanted to make sure I was fully prepared with all the bits and pieces we might possibly need. Also, I wanted something that I could shove my scarf and my hat and things like that in. So that's my Alexander McQueen scarf on the top there. Now this bag is brilliant. I haven't done a dedicated video to this bag, but it did come out in one of the 3 bags that I would save in what would you call it, in an apocalyptic scenario. Wow, say that after opening the gin advent calendar, why don't you? Because it is so brilliant. It is a fantastic bag. You can see it's pretty big. It's really full at the moment. It's got a zipped up slip back pocket where I keep my phone slipped in there for easy access. It's got a slightly offset on the front zipped up main pocket, and it is cavernous. It has loads of things in there, you can see. It has this removable shoulder strap, and it also has a removable crossbody strap, and I thought I'll just pop the shoulder strap on it for when we're driving down in the car, and going to the hotel, but I can always put the crossbody strap on if I want to turn it into a crossbody. So that's in the bottom here somewhere in amongst all of my stuff, and it is lightweight and very, very, very comfortable to use. It's got its own detailing. You've got like a little skull here on the braided zip pull, but I've also added this black and gold two-tone dress up your purse chain, which just clips onto the D-ring there and onto like the little zip D-ring there. So what did I take with me? Well, you saw my hat and my scarf. I also had my gloves. These are fingerless gloves from Hush. They've got cashmere content, and I requested these in my luxury wish list for my birthday and Christmas last year, and I got them. So these were really, really lovely. I prefer to have fingerless gloves because then I don't have to keep taking my gloves off every time I need to use my phone for whatever reason. Now that's out of the way, you can see just how much stuff I've got in there, and I don't have everything in here that I was carrying around because my camera was one of the things that I was carrying around. I had my umbrella, my clip-on sunnies. Yes, these are not particularly sexy, but they did the job, and when I was driving it was really, really sunny on the drive, so I just popped these clip-ons directly over my glasses, and bish bash bosh, we're good to go. Got like a little travel glasses cleaning kit, because you know the way it goes if you wear glasses. As soon as you're away from a little travel cleaning kit or your home cleaning kit, something's going to happen to your glasses. They're going to get smeary and you're going to need to clean them, and you're not going to be able to. So this has been brilliant. My clay with a house and car key in. My card holder, I'm still in my pink mulberry, but I'm going to switch this out. I'm going to make myself use my lovely Mahina leather Louis Vuitton in Gallet coin card holder, so I'm going to do that. Add a couple of masks thrown in there. Hand sanitizer, a comb, because I forgot to pack it in the key pull. Remembered just as we were leaving, so I threw it in my handbag. Some paracetamol, a mostly eaten packet of extra strong mints, some evidence of chalky eating in the cathedral, the shoulder strap, which I just left in here just in case I wanted to use it. And I moved into my mini pochette accessoire rather than using the little dress up your purse pouches, because I wanted to carry more stuff in one place in my catch-all. So I've got my usual headache pills, Rennie's, lady product. I popped my lipstick in there. I've got some toothpick things in there. I've got the little Handbag Angels handbag holder, which I didn't use, but at least I had it with me. I also put in here a spare battery for my camera and my AirPods. So that's why I moved into a slightly larger catch-all than I've been using recently. And for some reason I left the dust bag in the bottom of the bag. Don't know why. Just completely forgot to take it out, and you can see on the inside there I've got a yellow bag organiser from Handbag Angels, and it does actually make it a lot easier to find stuff in here because it's a big black hole otherwise. Fantastic, great bag. And also in the back slip pocket where I had kept my, we've got the hotel card there, where I kept my phone for easy access. I also had a packet of antibacterial wipes. So that's my bag of the weekend. Bag of the day, what's in my bag. And I know you guys love that kind of thing because you tell me you love that kind of thing, and I'm just like you. I love that kind of thing, a little bit nosy. I like to see what people have got going on in their bags. Right, because we were away overnight and I didn't do the advent calendars yesterday, we've got some catching up to do. I still have Friday's gin, not Friday's gin, Saturday's gin. I've still got Saturday's gin. It is Monday today, Monday the 6th of December, so this is Saturday's gin, the Silent Pool. So I'm going to be opening Sundays and Mondays advent calendars. Oh, let's get in and have a look. Right, so we're looking for 5 and 6, so that's 6, let's pop a hole in that. It's 11, 24, 9, 18, 12, 19, 13, 8, 20, 24, 15, 1, 2, 3, 4. I have only opened 4. Where's 5? Where's number 5? 11. Oh, there it is. It's right there. How did I not see that? Okay. This looks like it's flavoured. It's a strawberry and pink pepper. Don't particularly enjoy flavoured gins, but I'll give it a go for the sake of experimentation. And number 6 was up here. Oh, what is this? Aber Falls. Now, Spirit of North Wales. My grandparents used to live in North Wales, so I have fond memories of North Wales. Looking forward to this. The Spirit of North Wales small batch. Oh, it's rhubarb and ginger. It's another flavoured one. What do you put with rhubarb and ginger? Okay, so those are the gins. I don't know if I'm going to have all of them today. I suspect not, but I will give my tasting notes. Something I can absolutely go for today is chocolat of the Hotel Chocolat Persuasion. I can see they very conveniently put 5 and 6 next to each other there. Oh no. Oh, difficult. Oh, you stay where you are. Peanut butter. Let's put you there. And oh, this is getting harder. Why is that so hard? Oh, I've pulled all the bits off. I'm gonna have to find those bits. Oh, lemon cheesecake. I absolutely have to find those bits. Oh no, the tree's down again. There we go. Damn tree's drunk again. Stay. You're not doing a great job of keeping these advent calendars under control, T-Rex, you naughty turkey, you. I found most of the bits that came off in the extraction process, but there is a little indentation here, and I think I heard one of the pieces fall down inside the calendar, so I'll have to find that. So this is lemon cheesecake, which I already know I'm going to love, and this is peanut butter, which I already know I'm going to love. These little LV goodies, these are little Christmas tree decorations that Winnie BLV sent me last year. So there's this one with the little monogram, and then up here we have a larger LV, and they're in red glitter. Just look at them. Fabulous. These are going to go on the tree when the tree goes up. That was a right kerfuffle. Let's get on to the peanut butter Hotel Chocolat. Yum bliss. It is really quite an earthy peanut butter. I love it. That was amazing as expected. Now I'm going to eat these loose bits off the top of the lemon cheesecake so they don't go, oh, they're crispy. Not getting much smell from this one. Bam! Oh. That is lemony. That's turn your face inside out lemony. All sorts of goodness. I am so lucky. I've been so lucky that I can taste all of the chocolatey ones. Right, now I'm going to finish my tea, finish my training. I've got one more training session, and then we'll have a little try of the gin, a little try of the ginny drinky poos. It's pretty noisy in here. I've got some spaghetti and venison meatballs on the go. I had my Silent Pool Albury Winter Gin. That was very nice. I had it with a slice of lemon. And now I'm trying the strawberry and pink pepper. Now I did have a little taster as soon as I took it out of the thing. Oh, I haven't put the tonic water in there yet. I'm also trying to catch up on the Vlogmas I missed over the weekend. So I've got Autumn on the little tablet there. So this is the strawberry and pink pepper. It was very pink peppery. That is very sweet. It's probably too sweet for me. I'll have another couple of sips and see how I get on. But now I've got to finish making dinner. Not particularly elegantly presented, but that is dinner. Venison meatballs with spaghetti and a garlic bread.